Hare Krishna. A hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devitasi with a Diwali special recipe. Today we will make a very famous sweet, namely Suryakala. Suryakala has a rich royal taste, which are crispy from out and soft juicy from in. So let's begin quickly. First, we will take a mixing plate, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, add 4 tablespoons of ghee, combine both this well. Make sure you combine it evenly. I have mixed it. You can see its texture. Now let's add some water and knead the dough. The dough must not be too hard nor too soft. Keep kneading well and add water part by part, not all at once. I have used around half cup of water. You can see its texture. Now let's cover it using a wet cloth and keep it for rest. Meanwhile, we will prepare the stuffing. For this, heat a kadai. I am going to add in 200 gram of khova. We will cook it partially. This step is done so that the khova doesn't remain raw. Do not forget to stir it constantly. We will cook it on low flame only. After 5 minutes, you can see the khova has softened and turned creamy. The color of khova as well has changed slightly. Now let's turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Meanwhile, let's make the sugar syrup. Syrup, I am taking 1.5 cup of sugar. Add 1 cup of water. Now melt the sugar and keep stirring. Our sugar has melted. Now add 7 to 8 saffron strands and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix all this well. We are not going to add any artificial color. Let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. After 7 minutes, let's check. Take 2 drops of syrup. Let it cool for a minute. Now let's check. It is sticky with only half string. We need this exact consistency of syrup. Our sugar syrup is ready. Now turn off the flame. Now let's move to the khova. It has cooled well. To this we will add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 5 to 6 saffron strands, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon chopped almonds and 1 tablespoon chopped pistachios. Mix all this well. If you want, you can also add some extra dry fruits, cashews, walnuts or designated coconut. With this, the stuffing for Suryakala is ready. Let's check the dough now. It is appearing smooth than before. Let's give it a final knead and you can see the dough has become softer than before. Now let's make small balls out of this dough. Similarly, I have made all the balls. Now take a ball and roll it into a small puri. Do not make too thin puris. You can see the thickness. I will roll one more. Roll two at once. Here I have taken some water. Apply it on the edges of one puri. Now let's place the stuffing. Do not overstuff. Now place the next over this and press the edge and seal it. Now twist the edges just like I am doing. Continue throughout the circumference. You can see its wonderful shape. Now this is ready. I will show you another one. Let's roll two balls. Apply some water and stuff it. Now place another puri onto this and seal it. Twist the edges. Water acts as an adhesive between the two puris. Similarly, we will make all the Suryakalas. Now heat oil in a kadai. Do not heat it a lot. Let's fry the Suryakala. Fry them all on low flame only, or else the bubbles would appear on the Suryakala. You can see the Suryakala are floating now. Let's flip it and fry them. You can see the color has changed slightly. Let's flip it again and fry. We will fry it till they turn golden in color. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Now the Suryakala has fried well. Let's take it out. Now let's dip it in the sugar syrup. Pour some syrup on the Suryakala. Let it remain in the syrup of some time. Make sure you dip the Suryakala when they are hot so that they soak in well. Similarly, I will fry others too. Fried well, so let's take it out. Our Suryakala has soaked well. Let's take it out. I am garnishing with some chopped pistachios. Similarly, soak other Suryakalas too. Let's offer the Suryakala to Lord Krishna this Diwali by placing a tulsi leaf. Our Suryakalas are offered and ready. Try out these Suryakalas and let me know how they came out for you. If you like Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhoga recipe. If you like to watch Bhoga recipes in Hindi, visit Govinda's Cuisine on YouTube. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.